You can earn the laziest $10 per day using this pure passive income app, and the good thing is that it is available worldwide and it pays you through the payment methods that are available in your country. So for example, if you are from the United States, you can get paid in many different payment methods that you can see on your screen right now. If you are from Canada, you can get paid through Bitcoin and the PayPal, or you can get paid through the Visa and Amazon gift card. Also, if you are from Australia, you can get paid through these SAM payment methods. If you are from the United Kingdom, you can get paid through these SAM payment methods, including the Google Play gift card. If you are from India, you can get paid through the Bitcoin or through the PayPal. If you are from the Bangladesh, you can get paid through the Bitcoin and the Visa gift card. Also, if you are from the Pakistan, you can get paid in the SAM payment methods. Even the people from Nepal get paid through the SAM payment methods. People from Ethiopia can get paid through the Bitcoin. Only people living in Nigeria can get paid through the Bitcoin and the Visa gift cards. If you are living in New Zealand, you can get paid through the Bitcoin, PayPal and the Visa gift card. Also, if you're living in the UAE, you can get paid through the SAM payment methods. Just like this, you can be from any country around the world and you can get paid through this website. But for our future videos, comment down below your country name so that I can create more relevant videos for you and others watching from your country. Also like this video and help me get over 4,000 likes on it. Now let's start with the first step, which is to come over to this website called the Pawns app. I will leave a link to the Pawns app in the description of this video, or the pinned comment. Pawns app is a website app where you can get paid the laziest $10 per day in pure passive income. You can use it both on your smartphone and your computer or laptop device, and it works on both the Android devices and the iOS devices. So you can just click the first link in the description of this video or the pinned comment to come over to the Pawns app and register yourself completely free. You can register on the Pawns app using your Google Mail or Apple ID. So once you log into your account, this is how your dashboard will look like. The Pawns app got over 4.4 star ratings on Trustpilot from over 3,000 real users around the world, which shows that it is one of the legit and best online earning apps out there. I have tested the Pawns app myself and I showed you guys my live withdrawal proof of $57 from the Pawns app in this video on our Truth Tapes channel. So you can trust the Pawns app. Now the Pawns app is a platform known for earning extra income online, and here you can earn passive income in exchange for sharing your unused internet data. And the good thing is that here you can get paid in many different payment methods. Just like I showed you in the beginning, you can get paid in PayPal, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, or in many different gift cards that are available in your country. As you can see, people from different countries around the world are withdrawing their earnings from Pawns app. Now once you log in Pawns app, there are mainly two ways to earn money: completing paid surveys and sharing your internet data. And by sharing your internet data, you can earn passive income just like this. So let's start with the method to earn money by sharing your internet data or bandwidth. For this, all we have to do is to scroll down a little bit on homepage and select our device from this list. As you can see, the Pawns app is available on any device that runs on Windows, Google Play, Android, iOS, Mac OS or Linux. So whether you have a computer or laptop device or you use a smartphone device, you can always install the Pawns app to your device to earn some extra income online. But for our future videos, comment down below the device you use the most. Now I am using Windows laptop for recording this video, so I will choose Windows from here, but you can choose any device you are using. Once you select your device, it will download the setup to your device, which you can install. And once you install, you just need to log in using your Pawns app credentials. Once you log in, the Pawns app will start to establish connection with your device, and as you can see, your encrypted internet is being shared and you are now earning. Now here you can see that for sharing just 1 GB of data, Pawns app will pay you 20, which means you need to share 5 GB of data to earn $1 in pure passive income. But don't worry, there's one secret bonus tip to earn the laziest $10 a day in pure passive income on the Pawns app, which I will be sharing in this video. So stay tuned until the end. Now you can read here that your internet data is used by companies around the world to run complex tasks and research. Also, they don't access any of your personal data, and the Pawns app is approved by Google, Apple and Microsoft as safe to use software. And the good thing is that you only need to earn $5 to take your first withdrawal from Pawns app, which is really easy to earn if you follow each step shown in this video. As you can see, an average user earns over $12 daily on the Pawns app. They have over 4 million users and have already paid over $3.8 million to their users in the year 2023. So the first bonus tip is, if you have multiple devices in your home like laptop, computer and mobile devices, what you can do is you can just install the Pawns app to all your devices. You can log in using the SAM credentials and you can start sharing your unused internet data with the Pawns app. That way you will be able to earn double or triple more money as compared to if you only use one device. You can see that every minute people from different countries around the world are withdrawing money from the Pawns app. And here you can see that in last 30 days the Pawns app has paid over $7 lakhs to its users, which is just awesome. So you can earn up to $140 per month by just sharing your internet data on the Pawns app, just like I showed you right now. And you can enjoy 100% lazy and passive income by sharing your unused internet or bandwidth. Now the step number 2 is to earn money by completing some paid surveys. All you have to do is to click on the surveys option, which you can find from the left menu bar right here. You will be taken to this page where you can find different paid surveys that you can complete to earn money online. So to complete just 10 to 20 minutes of surveys from here, you can earn anywhere from a few cents up to $3 or even $5 per survey you complete, which is awesome. And to earn the most amount of money using the surveys option, what you can do is you can find 3 different options right here: the best match short surveys and the highest payout. And to earn the maximum amount of money fast, I would suggest you to select the highest payout option from here. And as you can see, the Pawns app will show you the highest paying surveys that are available for you right now. With time, you will start to get even high paying surveys like the $3 surveys, $5 surveys, and even more paying surveys if you get lucky. So the more surveys you complete, the more high paying surveys you will get to see on your account. Now the amount you get per survey will also depend on the country you live. The more developed your country is, the more money you will earn completing those surveys. So on the Pawns app, you get paid for sharing your opinions on different topics such as fashion, technology, the car industry, and so on. And your earnings will also depend on different factors like your country, what device you use, your family, income, the automobile you have, etc. Completing paid surveys is one of the fastest ways to earn money on Pawns app. And as you can see, if you complete surveys, you can earn anywhere from 25 cents up to $15 daily. And these surveys are taken by the big brother. That the Pawns app has partnered up with those brothers who need your opinion on various topics, products and services, and they pay you in return for sharing your experience and feedback. And now the third step to earn even more money with the Pawns app. To complete some gaming offers for this, you just need to come over to the games option from the left, where you can earn $10 per game, $50 per game, and even $100 per game. All you have to do is to install these games to your device and complete the different levels of these games. And for every level you complete, you can earn some bucks for that, which is really a great way to make money online by playing games. And now to earn $10 per day in lazy and pure passive income, you just need to click where it says invite a friend, and that's going to take you to this page where you can see that if you send your referral link to your friends and family and they sign up using your link, they will get a $1 sign up bonus for using your referral link. And every time they take a payout from their Pawns app, you will earn $1 for completely free on top of the 10% of their every payout, which is just awesome. So even if you have 10 referrals that earn $10 a day, they will together earn a total of $100 a day, and you will get the 10% of $100. That is, you will get $10 per day in complete passive income. Now, if you don't want to promote the Pawns app to your friends and family, what you can do is you can come over to Facebook and create your new account. After that, you can start joining the Make Money online groups on Facebook. Make sure those groups are public group and you can post in those groups. Once you join the groups, all you need to do is to go over to Google and search for Pawns app withdrawal proof. Select the images option from there and you will be shown a ton of Pawns app withdrawal proofs. You just need to download any one of the images from there and just post the SAM image to the Facebook groups you join. But don't forget to copy your referral link from the Pawns app from here and paste it in the description of your Facebook post. I suggest you to join more and more Facebook groups for this to get the more and more referrals possible, so that you can earn the laziest $10 a day in pure passive income. Pawns app also has a weekly leaderboard where people receive money every week. So the highest money maker of the week gets the $150, the second highest money maker gets the $100, and the third highest money maker gets the $50, which is really amazing. Pawns app is 100% safe and secure. All traffic is encrypted and the app doesn't access any of your personal data. Currently, Pawns app is running a special deal. If you use my link in the description of this video to register on Pawns app, you will instantly get $1 sign up bonus. The deal won't last for long, so register yourself on the Pawns app today. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.